guys, this is gonna be a very quick tutorial basically. How to launch a meme coin on Robinhood Chain. So first thing you need to do is connect your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you have your ETH ready. So first thing first, you can go to launch. Basically upload the pictures, names, ticker, your information, website. If you make a website, make sure you put the website on. Twitter or X, Telegram, make sure you have all those. Um, Basically, a minimum buy for a dev is 0.05. That's around 96 bucks. So very cheap. If you want to maximize for dev, it's going to be 0.5. That will get you around 27%. I think that's quite a few. 3.5% is for a dev is good. I think from Hoodlum, basically it's a 24-hour vesting for the dev. So it's actually protecting for the investors, showing the dev is not just to launch and dump on them. So it's actually big benefit for the holders. So the dev will not dump. You see a lot of times on like other platforms, they just dump on the buys. So this is going to be an advantage. Um, so that's basically it. So you will have, so basically I'm just going to show you, this is for educational purpose only. This is not for a financial advice. Just going to do, just saw a lot of memes today running with Chubby and, you know, Giga. So I'm just going to do a Chubby hood. So basically just put the description. I'm just putting my YouTube basically for tutorial purpose. This is basically, I'm just going to do a 0.05 buy just to show you guys how to launch. It will be quick. So let's say you put all the information, just press buy. It's going to take up to like a second only. So, so it's live, should be live. Transaction submitted. So it's launched. That's how fast it is to launch a meme coin on Robinhood Chain. That was maybe like 10 seconds. Not even 10. If you have all your stuff, it's quick. So if you will go back to Hoodlum, uh, should be coming up. See, Chubby. So we're live. So the token is vested for 24-hour period. So the, for your investors, it will be safe. Um, so if you will check only one buy, that's the dev. Yeah. So that's basically it. It's a quick tutorial, not to make it too long. Hope you guys like and subscribe. I will put more content now, bit more free now. So hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.